4 people have been arrested in and around the Kaliachak area with fake Indian currency. This is what we are being told. 4 have been arrested in Kaliachak with fake Indian currency worth 5 lakh rupees. 5 lakh rupees have been seized so far from the 4 who've been arrested, and this fake currency racket has been busted. These are the initial details that we're getting right now of 4 people being arrested in Kaliachak area. We understand that there were raids in and around that area, and there were at least 4 people who've been arrested as of now. We also know that 5 lakh rupees in fake Indian currency has been seized. This fake Indian currency racket has been busted and arrests have been made. At the moment, the worth of the currency is about 5 lakhs. That's what's been seized so far, but we do understand that perhaps this raid does continue. At the moment, 4 people arrested in and around the Kaliachak area with this fake Indian currency worth 5 lakhs, which has been seized at the moment. Samia Kapoor joins us with more details. Yes, Samia.
Oh, well, this is an issue that has been mentioned time and again as far as the fake currency issue of Bengal in this particular area in Malda is concerned, where much smuggling of fake currency does take place. And this is something that even the TMC minister today, Abu Nasir Khan Chaudhary, who is the MLA from Kaliachak, did mention that, yes, this is a latent problem. And within 24 hours, the police has managed to arrest just 4 people so far in connection to the fake currency issue. And this is also something that the BJP was trying to impress upon the state government, not taking any action against these people who are the handlers, who are taking care and facilitating this entire movement of these fake currencies in this area. So definitely, now that we are hearing that the MHA, the Home Ministry, has also set up a delegation to come and take stock of what exactly happened at the Kaliachak area, and also will be the fact-finding committee. There are going to be more details emerging as far as these issues are concerned. Very clearly, it was lined out that yes, fake currency is a problem over here in this area. There are other such issues also concerning the weaponry issue, or for that matter, the smuggling issue in this area. Kaliachak has had a history of violence that has been happening for a while in this area. This is a border area where the border is porous, and these are the latent problems in this area. But to completely reject the flare-up that took place in that particular area and trust the blame on this on issues of the fact that these are the criminal incidents that have taken place is something that the state government has been trying to attempt to do.